Alright everybody, welcome back to our channel. So here's a video on how can you add transitions between clip and Capcut. So if you want to add transitions in Capcut, you could simply place clips on the timeline. So what you need is open the Capcut app, log into your account, and you could then simply import the video in the timeline, right? When you do this, you need to go ahead and select the video from the timeline, and you could now go ahead and select the square icon at the bottom and then start adding in transition clips. So you could just go ahead and select the duplicate, or you could also go ahead and look for effects, and that's where you're going to find the transitions between clip and Capcut. So this way you should be able to add transitions between clip, and you could also explore other filters options and available in the Capcut. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.